Hi, this is Helena from Covalent Valves in China. Today, I'm going to introduce our clamp stainless steel Pneumatic Actuated food-grade ball valve for you. This food-grade ball valve can be widely used in the purified water, food and beverage industries. Body materials have SS304, SS316, and SS316L. Sealing material is PTFE. Port size is from DN15 to DN100. Its ending connection is clamp. And there are two-way or three-way for option. Also, our MQ is one piece, fast delivery, 1 year warranty for each product. Are you interested? Want to know more about product info? Well, just feel free to contact us via Alibaba or our official web. Thanks for watching. This is Helena. See you next time.